Hi guys, today I'm going to show you another red light therapy belt from Viconor. Viconor for me definitely one of the biggest brands when it comes to red light therapy. And red light therapy definitely not just a scam, it's definitely capable to do good stuff for you. I'm using such devices on a daily basis because it has such a great impact on my health. I'm using it for my shoulder and back, and every time I'm using it I can feel the difference. And so here we have this very special device, so I'm going to take it out of the box, show you what you get and how to use it. And here's the beautiful box, and it's so beautiful, so it could also work as a great gift for friends or a relative if you know that somebody's suffering from some pain. And here also some description if you don't know it. The red light therapy is using two different wavelengths. There's one wavelength which usually works on top, like on the surface, on the skin, and there's one wavelength which can penetrate the skin and have really positive impact on the muscle or even the bones. So it's really important to have a device which covers both wavelengths, and with Viconor you are definitely in good hands. So let's open the box, see what we get. Comes with this instructions manual, really nice description, has all the details but still not too much. We can see all the settings which we can have, different light intensities, different treatment options, and everything about cleaning, storage and maintenance. And it comes even with this power bank, so you're not tied to a wire, so you can charge the power bank, attach it, and then you're free to do whatever you want and still can use the therapy. Here the charger, and here of course the main device with the belt. So really nice smooth surface with the LEDs here inside, and outside also really nice. So we can first charge the power bank, and when we see the 4 blue lights we can connect it to the therapy belt with this USB-C plug, and to turn it on we press this button here. We see the lights, we add the battery here inside, and with a long press we turn it on, goes automatically into the first mode. Then we press again, goes into second mode, a little bit less, and then third mode. And then we can cycle again back into the first mode, very easy. And it has a built-in timer which will stop the therapy automatically after 30 minutes. And that's about what's recommended to do for one session per body part. But of course you can treat different body parts one after each other, and you can do up to 2 sessions per day, maybe one in the morning, one in the evening. You can see this thing is very flexible, but I would not recommend to really fold it. We can bend it around here a little bit, but it's definitely not recommended to really fold it like something like that, really tiny, because there are wires here inside and this could be damaged, and would be a shame if this would be damaged, because we have such a nice high quality red light therapy belt. So I really love this super flexible design here, where we just have this red light pad here alone, no straps, no nothing which would interfere with anything. So you can just pull up your shirt, put it underneath, and then have it there and use it without the belt. But if you want, then you can use this really nice belt. You can see a really nice strong belt. You can use that to attach the red light therapy belt to your back or to your shoulder or to your knee or so. I think this is the best solution overall, where you have 2 separate parts. And there are 2 ways to use this. You can just use it on top and then connect the 2 ends here and secure them. Or you can connect the belt directly here to the red light therapy and, for example, wrap it around your waist and then secure it on the other side, and then you have like a normal therapy belt. So for me, the best design which I have seen so far. And if you need more control than just these 3 modes here with this button, you can download the free app. It's available from the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. And so we can turn it on here, of course, and then we click on the settings. and we are trying to find the belt, and we see the flashing. We confirm that we see this and we have a connection, and so we can turn it on or off directly from here. And so we can also control the strength directly from here in much more different levels, almost seamless. We can adjust the timer really individually, whatever you need, up to 30 minutes, and even have more settings and more instructions. And so if you're looking for something to have some pain relief or want to have faster injury recovery, wound healing, or to fight some inflammation, then I can highly recommend this Viconor red light therapy device. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.